First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, this is the engine and underneath is the location for engine air filter. Notice it has two brackets, one right here and the other one right there. We'll put down both of these brackets one by one. First bracket is down, right here is the second bracket. Once both the brackets are pulled down, now what we'll do is we'll grab this cover and then lift it all the way upside. And there it is, right there is our filter. What we'll do is we'll just grab it from here and then pull it outwards. And that is how we take out the engine air filter for this car. In my case, the engine air filter is good. It's just a little bit dirty from here, but that's fine. We can still use it for 1,000 more kilometers. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that the curved side right here stays at the top, which is just like this. And the other portion like that with some writings stays at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. Lift up this cover all the way upside. Make sure it is all the way up. Then we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back. Make sure it is completely in from all over the edges, and it seems like it is. Once the filter is all the way in, now we'll just put the cover down all the way, and now we will go at the back side of this cover. Notice at the back side of the cover, there is actually one tab coming out right here. Similar to that on the other side, notice there is one more tab coming out right here. So what we have to do is we have to hold on to the top cover like this. Then we'll go ahead and slide in both of those tabs one by one. We got the first tab in position just like that. Similar to that, we will slide in the other tab as well. There it is. Just make sure both of those tabs are completely in position. Tab is completely slided in. So the top tab is in. Also the bottom tab is completely in. Now we'll make sure that the top cover is completely pressed down. This is good. Once the cover is completely down, now it's the time to punch in both of those brackets one by one. First bracket is in. There it is. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.